Oh, this is nice. Hi guys and welcome to my channel. It is your girl Zoe London, Zoe LDN, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to have you here and I hope you do plan on sticking around and hitting that subscribe button, period. Because over here it's only good vibes only. I do fashion hauls, I do vlogs, I do chit chat videos, I do get ready, I do everything, a bit of everything. So whatever you're into, I do on this channel, so you might as well just join the family. You can probably tell from the title what we're going to be doing today. We are going to be doing an unboxing. I don't know if I told you guys. So this brand reached out to me and they wanted me to be an ambassador for the brand. And I was thinking, you know what? This is a sign from God. Do you know why? I was telling my cousins that I need to get back into the gym. Like, I haven't been to the gym. Guys, I've been paying for the gym since January 2022 and I haven't been since January 2022. I've been paying every month. I've been paying £23 every month and I've not been to the gym. And then this week actually I went back to the gym and this brand reached out. So do you know what I mean? This is God talking, like, really and truly. So guys, summer's approaching. I'm trying to get my summer body and it's gonna be possible. It's gonna happen. But let's all get into why you lot are here. Let's get into the, oh, let me show you. So the brand is Protein World. Let's get our thumbnail in. I think we've got our thumbnail. This brand, Protein World, reached out to me and they wanted to send me a few bits. Guys, just came at an amazing time. By the way, guys, they don't tell us what to say. This is all my own personal opinion, thoughts, words, whatever. They've also given me a discount code, which is PW for obviously Protein World. Zoe LDN. So I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen and it will be down below in the description box. So yeah, use my code. 40% off. 40%. Guys, I hope you know 40% is a lot, by the way. And their things are not expensive, do you know what I mean? So the price plus 40% is, it's a big deal. So yeah guys, use my discount code and shop away, treat yourselves, fill your baskets, fill your cart. Guys, summer is approaching. All I know, me, I'm getting my summer body, boy. So yeah, I'm just gonna open the box. Ooh. Okay, so if you guys don't know, right, I suffer from long COVID. I got COVID December 2021 and honestly guys, life has never been the same again. But ever since having, well, since having long COVID, I don't have energy. I never have energy. I'm always tired. I always want to sleep. I can't sleep. I suffer with insomnia. Throughout the day, I'm drained. You get the gist, right? So obviously, I got myself some energy capsules. Capsules in here, and I will be taking this. I don't know how many I'm meant to take a day. Take 2 capsules with water. Do not take after 2 p.m. Do not exceed more than 4 capsules in a day. Do not use with other caffeine products. Okay, so I will be starting this tomorrow. They've got 60 in there and guys, this is exactly what I need. If you guys knew, like, I'm very sure like you guys always hear me complaining about my breathing, or if I walk up the stairs or if I go somewhere quickly, I'm always out of breath. So you guys understand, right? So I definitely need that. Ooh. Okay guys, next we've got the Slender Blend and I got this in the vanilla ice cream flavor because I like vanilla ice cream. Like, why would I not want a vanilla ice cream flavor? It's 202 calories and it's high in protein. Guys, I'm so excited to try this though. It's basically like a meal replacement, or you can use it as a meal replacement. Add 4 scoops to 400 milliliters of almond milk and shake well. Or you can do it as a snack or post-workout. 4 scoops, add to water, shake well. Consume 1 to 2 shakes a day. Okay, I'm excited for this. And obviously it came with a Protein World scoop to, you know, guys, I'm so excited guys, because honestly this weight loss journey I'm about to embark on, yeah, I'm just so excited for it and I'm gonna be bringing you guys along as well. Guys, I'm even getting a personal trainer. You guys don't, I'm serious, you know. Like, I'm really serious. So this is exactly what I'm going to be using to help me. Like, I'm actually going to be replacing my meals with just a shake, and I can't wait. I'm really excited, by the way. So there's that. And guys, we've got some protein bars. Let's see. Okay, cool. So we've got 2 different flavored protein bars. This one is the salted caramel and this one is the chocolate brownie. 21 grams of protein. Okay, Protein World, come through. I love, guys, I love the packaging. It's just really cute. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's just like, I don't know if it's the font that they used, I don't know, but I just love this. Can I just say, yeah, why I'm really excited is because you guys know I'm not a gym babe, I'm not a fitness babe, and the fact that I will now be working with this brand and they're also going to be part of my weight loss journey, I don't know, it's just making me so excited, because it's like, we're on this together, do you know what I mean? Like, obviously I'm trying to lose weight, and obviously they're a brand that help with weight loss and whatnot and just gym things. So it's a really sweet moment that we're going to be starting this together, and I'm going to be using their products to help me. I'm even going to have a protein bar now because I'm feeling a bit peckish. Guys, should I try one? Should I try one on camera? Let's try one. Alright, so this is the salted caramel. I've never had a protein bar before, you know, guys. Like, never, ever. Oh, is this how protein bars look? Is this how they look? This is nice. Do you know what this tastes like? God, this is nice. Not that I expect it to be disgusting, but I imagine like protein bars to be like, I don't know if you guys know about like Nature Valley, like that sort of thing, but yum. It tastes like do you guys remember Chomp, the chocolate Chomp, or even fudge? Like, it's not, like, as you chew it, sorry, but I'm really enjoying this. And I don't eat chocolate because chocolate triggers my IBS, but I'm really sorry, guys. Not me turning this into a mukbang. This is really good. Like, really good. I love that. So yeah, guys, that's all. They gave me quite a few protein bars. I don't need to show you all of them because it's both the flavours, either salted caramel or the chocolate brownie. This is very exciting. I'm really glad to be collaborating with Protein World. Like I said before, guys, I do have a discount code for 40% off. It is PWZOELDN. If I'm correct, guys, they do ship worldwide, so no matter where you are, you can order these to your gaff. So use my discount, get 40% off, and let's do this. And guys, it doesn't even have to be like if you're trying to lose weight, like even if you're just trying to be healthy, these are great products for you to use. I'm really excited for the energy capsules because it's like, ciao, like, you know. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.